Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a couple of mods to the M3. This will be the first modification to this car, but one of which, and it really bothers me, is the fact that this car does not come with any aluminum pedals. So you'll see here, there aren't any aluminum pedals in here. So the M Performance one is a little pricey. I found some on Amazon that are really good. I used them with my X5 and they work just as well as any OEM pedal. So I'm gonna get to installing that. So you see here, I have my pedals. Make sure when you order these, like I said, I'm going to a third party, you get the one, not for just the F30, but for the F80 or F82, depending on which car you have. If you order just one for the F30, for example, the regular 3 Series, the brake pedals differently. This is the brake pedal for the DCT cars. So make sure you get the one, otherwise you get it won't fit. The gas pedal I think will fit, but the brake pedal is usually the one that's different. So brake pedals usually have a explanatory. I should slide it directly over the main pedal, and the brake pedal I think would take a little bit of maneuvering to it kind of goes over. I think the rubber coating thing comes off, so I'll have to check that out and see exactly what happens here. All right, so got the pedal unwrapped and ready to install the gas pedal. So all I'm gonna do is just slide this up and over, and that's it. That one's installed pretty easy on that one. All right, I think the brake pedal, I'm gonna have to pull off this coating. I don't think I'm gonna have to, yeah, just grab it. There's a little anchor here. I'm grabbing the side and pull this off. Okay, so factory brake pedal is now gone, and I'm going with this aluminum pedal. And it's like probably better to slide it in from the corner from this side. So I'll come up from the top and see if I can do it. This one's probably gonna be a pain, but I'll try my best to see if I can do it on camera. Trying to try different angles to see if it's better to go from the top or from the bottom from each corner. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with my X5. I'm gonna soak this in some hot water, and with this hot water, it'll let the rubber kind of soften up a little bit for the install. All right, so back again. It's been soaking in water for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna try to get this back on. I apologize that the camera isn't exactly the best angle, but I'm just trying to do this on one hand. it. Okay. All right. All right, and that's it. Aluminum pedals installed. Just waiting for my M Performance mats to get here, and the interior should be mostly complete.